Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can log out of your Roblox account of all devices. So you have a Roblox account that you use to play the game Roblox, and now you want to sign that account out from all the devices that account is signed into, but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to log out of your Roblox account from all devices in very easy way. It's a very simple process. Just follow the simple steps I do and you'll do it in no time. So the first thing you want to do in order to sign out of Roblox account from all devices is open your browser and go to roblox.com. Once you go to roblox.com, make sure you're logged into the account that you want to log out from all devices. If not, go ahead and log into that account. Once you log into that account, in order to log out this account from all other devices, what you need to do is simply go and tap on this gear icon on the top right corner, and from the drop down menu go into your settings. Once you go into your settings, you'll land on an interface like this. Now this is the my settings interface of Roblox. Now from here, what you need to do is go into your security settings. Once you go into your security settings, you will need to find a section labeled as secure sign out. In that section, you'll see an option labeled as sign out of all other sessions. So to sign out of all other devices, what you need to do is simply tap on this sign out button. Once you do that, your success window pop-up will open like this, and it will be labeled as you have signed out of all other devices, which means you have successfully signed out of all other devices from this Roblox account. So those were the simple steps in order to sign out of all other devices in your Roblox account. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.